Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to use Polyline command in AutoCAD and what is the difference between line and polyline. So to use the polyline, to activate the polyline, you can press P and then press enter and this polyline command will be activated. You can also activate this command by just clicking on this home button followed by polyline, which is in drawing group, and after clicking this command will be activated. Let's suppose you created this figure and you also used this line command to create the same figure like this. Okay, so what is the difference between line and polyline? Guys, if you see here, when you select this line, when you select any portion of this polyline figure, the whole figure will be selected. Apart from that, when you select any member of this figure created by line command, then you can select it specifically. Okay, so this is the difference. Like if you want to delete it, then you can select and delete each members. And when you select any member in this polyline, after selecting, when you delete it, the whole diagram will be deleted. So this way you can use polyline in your figure. Hope you like this video. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.